Good morning, guys. We are in Dallas for a day and a half, so I thought I will vlog it separately. We just reached last night at like 10:30. Super late. We quickly had dinner, took a little walk. The apartment around here is so beautiful. There's literally a lake in between the apartments. So we're gonna go there, and I'll take you guys along. But it is early morning. It's almost it's 8:30, and we are going to Paris Baguette. Because the last time we went there, I wanted to have that pistachio cake. I wasn't there, so we're gonna go grab some breakfast from there and get the day started. Apparently, there's a good coffee shop here, which Jay has been to. So we are gonna go grab coffee from there first, and then we go to Paris Baguette to get breakfast. Let's see how the coffee is. Okay, we secured the goods. That one's my iced vanilla latte, iced mocha latte, and this is Jay's chai espresso something. That one looks so good. I thought like I'm tired of mocha, so I should try vanilla. But like that looks so good. I want to have it. And then we also got a pistachio croissant. And now we're gonna go to Paris Baguette and try what else they have. But yeah, that's an early morning start. I don't usually have coffees that much because I've like realized that like I get a lot of anxiety when I have coffee. So like I try to keep that thing in check. But yeah, let's get the morning started. I am super excited for today. We are going for a hot air balloon ride and I hope it turns out successful. I really don't want to be disappointed. But yeah, let's go to Paris Baguette and let's get this day started. Honey garlic baguette, you wanna get?
Have this.
Okay.
I'll get it for extra.
Curry croquette lena. Babe. It's okay, I don't like the line. Play Madame Noise.
देखो गूगल मैप से सेंड किया ना मैंने व्हाट्सएप पे, वही उसके ऊपर ही टैप कर, वो एकदम गेट तक देखेगा। चले वो
So then pistachio mochi donut, pistachio croissant, chocolate croissant और एक pistachio है।
वो अलग ही कपा कॉफी था इसीलिए सस्ती पैकेजिंग है। प्राइस सेम था। नहीं अच्छा
है ना, ये पागल कोई भी जगह लेके जाता है।
भाई कपा कॉफी अच्छा था, अपन जब गए थे यही मंगा रहे थे। और क्योंकि पेरिस बर्गर का बहुत स्वीट रहता है।
खा पूरा।
कितना लेके आए हो तुम लोग बाप रे।
बस यार रखा मत पूरा खा ले इट्स एक्चुअली यम्मी। हम लोग उस दिन गए थे तभी प्लेन वाला मोची बना था। मैं तो बहुत बार इंस्टाग्राम रील्स पे देखा है, तो ये ट्राई करता है बट फटाफट खा सके मस्त चूई वाला है।
But innocent Jay is not so innocent.
I don't think he is innocent.
मैं इनोसेंट हूँ, क्या नहीं बोल दिया। नहीं इट्स नाइस।
ये वाला सब बोलते कि तो innocent नहीं है।
It's very buttery. ये अच्छा
आपने
कौन सा
ले प्लेट
तुला याची भी बदल आणून देतो असं पाहिजे असेल तर स्ट्रॉबेरी।
बाद में बोल दिया मैं वीडियो।
Actually yummy है। Guys, I did his skincare and it just looks so glowy and juicy. I'm gonna share the product with you guys because I wanna like share my skincare routine also. But I love these products. I really wanna buy like few of them are from here. Let's see because they are a little expensive, but this one is actually good. Love it, and it's not like it's non-sticky, fully must hydrating. Boys are busy working, so I just got ready. I'm wearing this like stunning like long maxi dress. This is from And I got it I think 2 years back, I believe. It's a very very beautiful outfit, and I'm wearing this because we're going for the hot air balloon, and I want like pretty pictures. But I just got ready. I took a shower. I did my skincare, and I'm just chilling. They have a very beautiful like pool view and everything. It's a nice day, sunny, windy, pleasant weather. Really wanted to go to the pool, but आज इनके pool का कुछ cleaning है नहीं, which ways both the boys are like working. So I will probably will go tomorrow morning, and I will start getting ready in some time. I would say like in the next 20-30 minutes, and then we are gonna grab some lunch, and then we are gonna go and start going towards the hotel this thing, because it's almost like more than 2 hours away from here. So yeah,
Well
Guys.
hydrated individuals.
we tried out the new Believe, like new for me, the Believe Aquabomb sunscreen. It's gonna be up on my Instagram. I made the boys try it as well, so you guys will see the actual review over there. But yeah, now we're gonna quickly get ready. Let me get ready because we're gonna get late.
Yeah, see them.
Yep, come. Guys, I am getting ready. I was actually gonna film a get ready with me, but I could not because obviously I'm getting late, and that would just make me even more late. So I decided to get ready nicely here in the bathroom only, since I'm wearing a beautiful outfit. I did this pretty eye look, and I am planning to do like a purple liner on my lower lash line to kind of combine the purples and the pinks. Normal to dry, but today like I used a lot of products that have like made it super dewy, so I'm just gonna like kind of balance that out. This will give you guys a little better view. I'm using the Pack Cosmetics banana powder in the mini one. I don't like to use it in the night time because it gives a bad flashback, but in the daytime it's perfect. It really like mattifies the face so well, and it's a nice powder to have like travel के लिए छोटू सा डिब्बी. That is the eye look complete. I love it. It's such a nice hint of purple. Just gonna do a little bit of mascara now. I'm not thinking I'm gonna even go for highlighter though. Probably after setting spray, but not right now, because the glow is enough. But yeah, I'm all ready. That is my makeup done. You can't really
Me
see.
too.
And this is our fit check in this like really dirty mirror, but yeah, let's go. Guys, come on. Y'all are just... I'm ready. Jay. बेब इधर आप ब्लू शूज लिए ही नहीं है. Okay, now you guys can probably see like my entire makeup look. It's so beautiful.
I'm in a world that tries to take on away. Oh, but
Just got lemonade. I got a strawberry and peach, and he got a strawberry and mango. It is really good though. Guys, look at that. The balloon only literally goes from here to here, and it's like so underwhelming. Like, it's not even for 2 minutes. It's not even 2 minutes. So I don't think we're gonna do it because it's $25 per person. So like $75 just for that much is not worth it. But we're getting good pictures and videos, and then there are more balloons right there. There's pop. There was a ladybug as well, and then some other like balloons as well. So we're gonna enjoy the show.
वो हवा में उड़ेंगे तब सही लगेगा. Beautiful, beautiful.
Ready to go to the pool. Oh, मेरे बाल खुल गए. Good morning. Very pretty day. And we are going to go to the pool. It's 9:30. Probably an hour, and then we'll go get ready. I'm gonna take the boys to TJ Maxx, and then I'm gonna have lunch and head home. So yeah, nice day to go to the pool. Oh, look at that! The pool is so pretty. Look at these, and then the chairs. But pool party के लिए this is a very good this thing यार. कितना ये जय ना बच्चा ही है. Seriously.
It's all on your lips.
That's yummy.
Huh? Oh, the squeezed out chocolate.
जय तू इधर आ ना. यहाँ से वहाँ जाओ, वहाँ से यहाँ आना. वैसे अक्षय क्या बूढ़े अंकल की तरह साइकिलिंग कर रहा है क्या?
नहीं खत्म हो जाएगा.
ठीक है तो 1 2 3. दोनों क्लैश मत होना. जय जीत गया. We are all ready to leave. I'm wearing a very cute outfit. I'll show you guys later. But now we are leaving. We're going to go to TJ Maxx, taking the boys, and then we're going to go have lunch and then leave. Yeah. Cutely dressed up today. My hair is always in the same this thing, guys. I think I'm not a hair person in general. I feel like I'll always end up doing the same hairstyle, same middle parting, same straightening. धूप आ रही है बड़ी आप लोगों में. Yeah, much better. But I'm not a hairstyle person. I always end up just taking a half pony and putting a clip, and then I just open my hair when I feel like. Most of the time half up do कर देती हूँ, बस ज़्यादा नहीं हो पाता है मुझसे. मैं blasting the AC because it's super hot. But I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx first. Let's see how it is. I don't want to be disappointed by it, and I want to stock up. Actually, I want to help Akshay stock up on his skincare. So I'm gonna explain him the entire routine. Let's see. Guys, TJ Maxx is here. वॉलेट सेक्शन फर्स्ट टाइम देख रही हूँ. Yours is actually good though. I was planning to get Jay this, but wallet पहली बार दिखे ना? Guys, they have eyeshadow palettes, Fenty powder, Laura Mercier, Revlon, Benefit. Ooh, Bare Minerals, Laura Mercier. Oh, I wanted the tinted moisturizer though. I get one. I want to get Centella ka like a mini trial kit tha, which had like all the products in. So I think that will be good for you. It's an eye cream in general for highlighting. I don't think anything works on dark circles unless like you go to a dermat and then you get this thing. But you have a moisturizer, right? You have a face wash. What do you need? Guys, truly so cute. This one actually smells good, but I don't need it. I don't need it, and I'm skeptical about the glass bottle. See, everything is like leaky. Guys, Billie Eilish, YSL Libre, but all these are a little expensive. Like, you'd get better in Burberry Hero. That's also a good fragrance.
Is Billie Eilish
Burberry.
as expensive as YSL?
Not really.
Yeah.
YSL is expensive, Burberry is expensive. In India, I feel, in US in general is what I feel. We went to TJ Maxx. I think it's pretty success. Akshay liked it. But I'm going to show you a mini haul. I got the Billie Eilish perfume. And this is 30 ml, which I only got for like $30. Originally, it's priced at $58. And you do not get this in India or anywhere else. It's just in the US. So I am so glad that I got my hands on this. It's a very fresh aqua scent, a little mix of tobacco, like exactly like it is predicted, like rainwater. So wo hai, very very happy. And plus the bottle is like very unique, like it's like this. So I'm definitely happy about that purchase. Then we got a little skincare stuff for Akshay. We got the La Roche-Posay cleanser, which was for like $10, which is good. It's a 200 ml cleanser. And then we also got him the Belief sunscreen that we tried out. If you guys have not, just check out my Instagram. We've tried this one out, and this was for $17, which is actually a good sunscreen. It is SPF 45 50 ml ka hai ye. Then I got absolutely beautiful. Finally, I have the color of the season. This is, what yellow do you call this?
Lemon.
No. Butter yellow. Butter yellow is the color of the season. So I got this beautiful saddle bag, which has a crossbody strap and a shoulder strap inside it. And this one is just for like $20, which is actually good. The only reason I don't get these stuff in branded ones is cause like this leather peels off. But $20 ke liye not bad. Like I didn't want to spend like $100 on like Coach and all, and then like get all of this peeled off. So that's something that you should definitely keep in mind. Ki agar tumko dikhe ki oh, Coach is cheap and I buy it, but that leather peels off in like a year or so and not worth your money. $150 worth of TJ Maxx shopping is done, and now we are going to one of the restaurants that I really liked here, and Jay's favorite restaurant, which is North Italia, which is like an Italian place, and they have yummy pasta. You guys have seen it before, so I wanted to do it one more time before I leave. So that's why we're going for lunch right now, and it's almost 15 minutes, so I'm gonna quickly segregate these bags, reach there, and see you guys. Guys, we are trying to decipher this parking thing. If you guys can let us know, and we are asking ChatGPT.
Okay.
What does it say? Is it exactly what I said? Because I'm so
it said
smart and I figured it out.
The whole limit doesn't apply today.
Okay, what does it say? Based on this, no parking on standing from 4 to 6 p.m. on weekdays. Not applicable on Saturday, Sunday. 2-hour parking from 7 to 4, except Saturday, which means the limit does not apply on the weekends. Since it's Saturday, neither the 4 to 6 p.m. neither restriction. All thanks to me, I found the parking. This guy was not able to decipher what is written. उसको नो पार्किंग, बट मैंने गाइस मैंने अपनी बुद्धि चलाई और मैंने फिगर आउट किया इसका. Now you pay me $10. The parking fee you have to pay me.
I pay you $10.
And you're gonna buy me the $40 moisturizer. I got this cute top from TJ Maxx only, na? तुम कहाँ जा? This one's a fancy North Italia. This one's actually better than ours.
Yeah.
It's way bigger. How was TJ Maxx?
Amazing.
सच्ची अच्छा लगा क्या?
I found 2 good t-shirts, shirts, and
Thanks
I
to
found
me.
sunscreen. Everything.
मैंने ढूंढ के दिए.
And what else did I get? Already forgot.
Skincare ना?
Skincare.
Would you go again?
I'll ask you
Yeah.
for recommendations and to TJ Maxx.
1% down. ये कभी impress होता ही नहीं है, मतलब मेरे से या मेरे को fine.
मैं इस पे पूरा impressed हूँ ना.
Look at that. That's yum. Yum, 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 yum. You're supposed to cut it, हाँ? अंदर से गर्म होगा तो.
Just peachy. And then the jumpster.
That's very yum.
Sitting.
Ah, it's too gingery. Congrats, you earned yourself a drink.
अरे पण जाऊ कसा त्यांनी ब्लॉक ठेवलाय तो. हे बघ ना त्यांनी. I think this
Left
is
only
for.
but don't straight.
भाई इतने ये ट्रक्स, ये तो insane amount of like over. We're at Fairmont to get a fridge magnet. Oh, this one right here. अपन legit इधर से आए. वो टेक्सास का है बट डैलस नहीं है वो. तू ये ले
I
डैलस का
collect
ये.
states.
हाँ तो ये रहा ना. तो टेक्सास तो है ना तेरे पास?
No. I don't remember.
I think you do have. Which one should I get though? Find something cute
Get
for me.
something that's not flat. Like
This one? I like
get
this.
These.
I like this.
अच्छा हाँ ये 3D है. Not bad. Like don't get these.
No, that I don't like. That's boring. पर ये भी अच्छा है.
ये भी हाँ मस्त है.
है ना? Cute. चल अक्षय आ रहा है. आजा ऑस्टिन.
इसको ऐसे ही लेके चले
I'm gonna miss you guys.
इसे उतरने
You
नहीं
guys are
दिया.
going to my hometown, New York City.
नहीं इसको उतरने नहीं दिया तो आएगा ही ऑस्टिन.
सिर्फ मेरी गाड़ी बची, डैडी खड़ी है.
तो तेरे को बोला तूने टेढ़ा पार्क किया. तू पता नहीं क्या कर रहा था.
पार्क किया था फिर.
Back at Bucky's. We also need to get water. The chocolate chip muffin was amazing. And I'm just gonna stroll around and see, cause like I hate driving like constantly. It's very boring. So I need some breaks in between. Guys, look at this car. So cute. आगे पीछे I think same ही लगता है. It's very
This is in India also.
confusing.
Volkswagen
I
India.
know, but not a lot though. I don't think a lot of people.
No, now they.
Even when they had a lot of
I mean,
people like
obviously, no one-
actively bought it.
In India, no one
It's a
would
very
buy.
vintage this thing.
More than vintage, no one would buy a 8 lakh rupees car which is 2-seater.
Yeah.
We don't have that kind of economy.
But yeah, we quickly stopped at Bucky's and I didn't know, but they have lip balm. So I got one so that like I can give to my friends and family back there. We got the chocolate chip muffin and what else did we get? I think we just got water.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. And now we're gonna going to Marshall's actually. Like I have like troubled him to the core with this.
I love it.
Like end last day तक भाई मैं सारे स्टोर में घूमूंगी. भाई we're gonna go to Marshall. Yeah, I just got cut off, but I'm gonna go to Marshalls and TJ Maxx. Let's see, and then we'll go home. So I think by 7:30 we should be home. 7:30, 8. love my makeup today. Like, let me just clear it out for you. But also this outfit is from TJ Maxx. Such a cute like scarf top. It's so pretty and I love my makeup. Like, it's so natural. I put a very light layer of the Smashbox tinted moisturizer. I put a blue liner to match with my outfit and denim skirt, and then I'm wearing the NYX lip lingerie in some shade. I'll try to link it down. I know I've been not linking products, but yeah. So I will see you guys in Marshalls. We're gonna reach in about 10-15 minutes, I believe. Okay, guys, we went to another TJ Maxx. And I got the Ariana Grande Sweet Like Candy from Ariana Grande again. This is 30 ml for $25, which is good. Then Jay picked out this cute little hair and body perfume for me. It is some creme brulee perfume and it smells really good. So I'm just gonna spray it because we're going out for dinner. And it really smells so good. It's a sweet vanilla creme brulee. That thing. And you guys are not gonna believe what I found in this TJ Maxx. Oh my god. I found a Bare Minerals. This is a hydrating lipstick. So it's like a sheer lipstick and it is in the shade Honesty. It is such a beautiful pink color. It's a very light like pink shade. It's not a very dark bold. If you build it up, yes, but it's a very nice shade and this was just for like $9 and originally it's for $15. And I got a milk bronzer. Oh my god, I got the milk makeup bronzer in the shade Baked. This was for $9 again. Originally it's for $15. And this one is actually a shade that will work on me, and I really like warmer shades because I like to like bronze myself. And look at that shade, like it's gonna suit me perfectly. And my bronzer is running out. You guys know I have just like one bronzer, which is the sugar one, which I got on the trip and it's almost out. So it's time to upgrade because that one I'm using for a while. So that was a TJ Maxx haul, and then I got like one more thing. But yeah, insane shopping I have done in these last few days, and like that's crazy to even think about it.